guys, and welcome back to Richoux and today is week 1 update. It's been 1 full week since the carnivore reset. Actually, it's been a little bit over that because I started on the 1st, and by the time this video is going live, today's the 7th, so it's been 7 days. Okay, I'm filming this video on January 7th, but it won't go live until January 9th, something like that. Anyway, how are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing amazing with your carnivore ketovore resets for the month of January, which is World Carnivore Month. For me, I decided to eliminate the keto treats. I am still having a splash of heavy cream in my coffee, and I also am having cheese. So I haven't given up dairy, but I'm not having cheese every single day, and I'm not having cheese every single meal, but I am having a splash of heavy whipping cream in my coffee, which I've drastically reduced. And I am reducing my eating window to at least noon or 2. I'm really trying to listen to my body. That was the whole point of me doing the carnivore reset, was to eliminate the keto treats, which can stall your weight loss. It can lead to you keeping a little bit of that inflammation on your body and still retaining some of that pain, and it also can lead you to feel more hungry more often because it is a sweet taste. And I just wanted to see what my life looked like without those keto treats. Not that I hate them or I never will have them again, but I'm just not having them right now. So week 1 has been amazing for me. I found that I eat very sporadically. While it may not be a traditional fast of 16-8 or 18-6 or warrior or what have you, I eat when I'm hungry. So some days I'm not hungry until 2, some days I'm not hungry until 5, some days I'm hungry at noon, and I'm not hungry again until 9 at night. So I'm really listening to my body, and if I crave food, I try to eat some butter first, and then if I'm still hungry after that, which I'm normally not because butter is super satiating, I will eat. My meals have consisted of ground beef, bacon, butter, ribeyes, New York strip, and stir-fry beef, like shaved beef, like a Philly cheesesteak beef. And I have also been using a little bit of mozzarella cheese, not much, maybe like 1 serving's worth, and then some American cheese sometimes on my McDonald's hamburger patties. Yeah, I do want to talk about weight loss, even though I'm not doing this for weight loss specifically. This reset, weight loss is just a welcome byproduct of overall better health with the optimal human diet. Dr. Kim Berry calls it the proper human diet. I weighed in at 310.8. Now if you follow me on Instagram, you'll know I lost 88 pounds. I started at 364, I lost 88, then I gained some back, and then I've kind of stalled around the 305 mark. And then over the holidays, just the water weight alone of not really watching how many keto treats and things I was eating put me at 310.8, and this morning I weighed in at 300.6. so that is 10.2 pounds lost. Is it water weight and inflammation? Yes. Is it probably some body fat? Probably yes. I don't count calories, I don't count macros, I don't count sodium intake, I don't count any of those things, and I don't propose to be a fitness guru at all. If you follow my channel, you know I post vlogs mostly about my life, and it just so happens that I eat a carnivore diet, which is part of my life, and y'all like to see that. Thus why I'm posting it. Over on Instagram, there was a pretty heated discussion, and if you're not following me over there, head over there. It's Richoux on Demand, and about the sodium intake of the McDonald's hamburger patties. And Kelly Hogan and I have become really quick internet friends, and she's an 11-year veteran zero carb carnivore, and she has survived many years on the McDonald's hamburger patty diet, is what I call it. And we were talking back and forth because there were some people on my page who, they weren't nasty, but it was just those people who feel like they needed to voice their concerns about the amount of sodium I'm intaking. And let me be clear, I came to carnivore for health reasons. I was in so much pain for my pseudotumor cerebri symptoms, and the eat less, move more theory was not working. And the only other option I was staring at was a revision to my weight loss surgery, and the trauma alone to that could increase my inflammation, thus making my symptoms worse, even though I would be losing weight in a very, in my personal opinion, unnatural way. It's unnatural for you to only be able to eat 2 ounces of food in a sitting. It's very unnatural. So I just, in theory, it makes no sense to me why with the average that they use on all the nutritional facts for daily caloric intake for the average woman be 2,000 calories if you're meant to survive on 800 or 1100 due to severe calorie restriction from weight loss diet or dieting or the eat less move more theory. It just doesn't make sense to me, because why would you make that the standard if it's not the standard, if you're saying that people that eat 2,000 calories are going to gain weight? It makes no sense to me. So that's why I came to carnivore, and I was proven correct. And I get my labs done, I get my blood work done, and literally the only thing that has ever come up is some concern with my cholesterol, and I think my doctor told me to eat less shrimp. Like, I think that's what she said. Like, you might want to lay off the shrimp a little bit if you eat a lot of seafood and things like that, because I am from the South and we eat the Gulf Coast to be specifically, and at certain times of the year, shrimp and crawfish and all that kind of stuff is a way of life. I'm thoroughly looking forward to crawfish boils this year. So yeah, I'm feeling great. I'm 10 pounds down. I can tell when my water weight is decreasing and when I'm less bloated is my wedding ring will slide on and off without me having to apply lotion to my hands. I mean, of course it still fits, and it fits snug enough not to fall off, but I can just pull it off at night when I put it in my jewelry box. So I'm really happy with that. I hope you guys are really happy with what's going on with you guys. This one thing when I started this was I thought I was going to want my Bang energy drinks and my sugar-free off-brand Members Mark brand sparkling ice drinks to get through, but I've noticed that I really don't even gravitate towards them, and it could be because I don't crave that sweet taste anymore. I'm not saying it's not enjoyable, and when my husband has one, I don't take a sip of his every now and then. To me, this way of eating has become something that I want to sustain over my life, and it's just not probable considering that I'm married and my husband isn't one. He eats carnivore meals, but he will have a Diet Dr. Pepper every now and then. He will have those sparkling ice drinks every now and then. My son is not 100% carnivore, so it's not probable that I will never take a bite or a sip of a sweet tasting beverage, even though it's 0 calorie and 0 sugar. So yeah, I've been sipping a little bit on his, and sometimes I eat outside of that window I set for myself initially too, which is why I told you how I was eating normally. I just eat when I'm hungry, and if I want a snack, I grab a couple pork rinds. The 4505 brand of chicharrones from Costco have been a lifesaver for me as a snack. I just grab like 2 or 3 of them and I'm good to go. So yeah, I've been feeling great. I've been hydrating. I've been getting my electrolytes. I haven't been needing many electrolytes because I season my food really well with plenty of salt, and I feel like I'm getting most everything I need. I do feel like I could get a couple of more magnesium, a little bit more magnesium, but as far as like sodium and potassium, I think I'm fine on that front. As far as water, this is my water cup. I pretty much fill it up when I take it to work, and I drink as much as I need to drink. I don't force myself to drink this whole thing every day. Good. I don't force myself to drink this whole thing every day or while I'm at work. I normally drink 1.5 a day, but it's just because I'm thirsty. I don't force myself to say by saying, oh, it's 12 o'clock and that jug's not halfway gone, I need to chug water. I do not do that. I just drink when I'm thirsty, and I end up being about 1.5 of those a day. And that's the Bubba brand's water jug cup with a hand. I think it's like water jug with a handle. It's blue. I like it. It's cute. It has a little flexible straw. It's really cute. I only drink water in it, so it's pretty easy for me to keep clean because I just wash it with some soapy water and rinse it out. So yeah, but yeah, that's how my first week has been going, and I'm really happy. My skin looks amazing, y'all. I have no makeup on today. I'm getting my hair done tomorrow evening. That's why I have this cap on. But well, actually, yeah, I'm filming this on Thursday, so tomorrow evening. But I have this hyperpigmentation here, and normally it's way worse. I would never get on camera without wearing makeup or kind of being far away and being under a really good light. And y'all, if y'all saw the behind the scenes of the vlogs sometimes, but my skin, y'all, and I believe it's because I'm getting the amount of fat that my skin needs to be luminous. I normally struggle with chronic dry skin. My son struggles with chronic dry skin, and he's actually pretty sensitive and has eczema as well. So I've already switched him to a lot of gluten-free things that he does partake in that's not keto or carnivore. We found this pancake brand. I'll have to find it in a minute, and if I do find it, I'll link it below, or I'll talk about it on Instagram one day. And it's gluten-free because I'm trying to remove wheat and gluten and stuff from his diet. He's 4 going on 5, and I'm trying to wean him away from wanting those things now. So he still wants his pancakes and his waffles and things, and I've slowly introduced gluten-free and then carnivore friendly, keto friendly, and he eats the chaffles every now and then. So we're getting there, but carnivore has really helped my skin. But yeah, that's pretty much my week 1 check-in. 10 pounds down, feeling great, not suffering at all. It's about, let me see here, it's about 10 minutes to 1 now. I haven't eaten anything since yesterday. I'm gonna get up, I'm gonna fix some lunch, and that's gonna be it. I hope y'all are enjoying the journey. Click the link down below if you're new here. Subscribe, like this video, because it helps the YouTube algorithm find my content, and talk in the comment section amongst each other things and tips and tricks that are helping you stick to the keto carnivore lifestyle. Until next week's update, see you later. Bye.